Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to add your Calendly scheduling link to your email signature. This means anyone you email can instantly book a meeting with you without the back and forth emails. It works with Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, and most email platforms. First, open your Calendly account and copy the link you want people to use. You can use your main scheduling page or a specific event type. Just click on your event, copy the URL, and keep it handy. Next, open your email app's signature settings. In Gmail, now paste your Calendly link into your signature. You can keep it simple with text like "Schedule time with me," your link, or make it more visual with a button or calendar icon. If you use a button image, just hyperlink it to your Calendly URL. This makes your signature look professional and clickable. And that's it. Now your scheduling link will appear in every email you send, saving you time and making it easier for others to connect with you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching.